And I'm Chef Robert. I'm over at Ashby Ponds. I love what I do. I've been in the kitchen for a little over 15 years. And I want to say to the other chefs, they're the best chef one. I was actually trained at the Arts Institute of Washington. That's over in Arlington, Virginia. And I love what I do. And the fun part of what I do is the involvement of my residents. You know, they're very vocal. They'll tell you as it is. You know, so a lot of them will come and they know exactly when I'm trying to sugarcoat things. So those chef really, I've been doing this a while. I know how to cook. I've traveled the world. I know recipes. So it's fun working with them. You know, we do have tools like Culinary Conversation where we get our residents involved in the menu development. You know, I do what we call a table touch or table talk, where every night I'm out there in the dining room. That's the highlight of the day. I go out there because you're back in the kitchen for the most part preparing the food, and you want to get those feedbacks from the residents. And some of them, most of the time, are good, but they're also quite honest and brutal sometimes, which is all fun, and that's why I love doing it. And in fact, there are quite a few of them here that they tell me if you win, we'll applaud, but if you don't win, we'll boo. So, again, I want to thank the organizers for this, and it was fun doing it, and I was very, very excited to be part of it. Thank you.